Good morning friends, welcome back to Mudra Healing Session. Mudras are holistic part of healing. Yoga Mudras cures health issues and makes the practitioner fit and energetic. That doesn't mean if you are on medication to keep away the medicines and go for the Mudra only. Take the Mudra practicing side by side along with the medicines, and when you get the results you can easily reduce the medicine or get away from the medicines. So today we are going to deal with the back mudra. It is the hand gesture for relieving the back pain. Why the name comes that it cures the pain in the lumbar region. That is why it is known as the back mudra. And somehow every day some bad postures will create tension and stress in our back, and we can hear that all are suffering from some back pain. But if we didn't care that, it will get swelled in that area and it causes discomforts, and in a long run it will make the person suffering from back pain. So let us have faith in this mudra and practice this mudra and get rid of the back pain. So how to perform the mudra is that sit tall with the spine straight. It is very important to sit tall to let the energy flow through the spine. Take a few normal breaths and relax. Then place your palms on your thighs facing up. Then in this, it is a very interesting mudra. Why? Because in both the hands, the fingers alignment is different. So how to do is that in the right hand, join the middle finger and the little finger on the tip of the thumb, and the other two fingers, that means the index and the ring fingers, straight. And in the left hand, with the first phalanx of your thumb, cover the nail of the index finger. This is the way. The right hand, the tip of the fire element, space element and the water element. The other two elements are straight, that index finger and the ring finger representing the air and the earth are straight. And in this, it's simply different, covering the index finger nail with the thumb. Place that on your thighs facing up. Concentrate on the mudra. Concentrate on the point you are having pain in the back. Visualize the energy activates upon the point in the lumbar region, and it sends healing rays through the spine up. Feel that you are getting relief from the pain. Visualize that your lumbar region is getting relief from the pain. And this way continue performing the mudra. As every mudra, this mudra is also the performance time is early morning. But because this is a healing mudra, you can do at any time. Do it for 20 minutes at a time. For better results, do it for 45 minutes. And just like what I said, believe in that mudra, and you are doing that for curing your pain. And the benefits of the mudra, it strengthens the back. It reduces the muscle cramps, it reduces the tension and stress in the back point, and it energizes our body, and it relieves us from bad emotions from us, and overall it is for the back pain relief. So enjoy performing the mudra and experience the relief in your back. And consistent practice is the success key to gain results. Thank you, friends. We'll see you tomorrow with another the mudra. Thank you. Bye-bye.